Hello from VAD, where we say Merry Christmas because we rejoice in the birth of the Messiah of Israel, Shemo Yeshua. Check out how this Texas red, white, and blue star mosaic is made. As can be seen, brief descriptions are in the subtitles. This video is to help you get an idea of how this mosaic is made. Perhaps in time more descriptive videos will become available. Here at Van Abema Designs we have mosaics for your home, ranch, or office. This Texas Star tile mosaic is being placed on cement poured for demonstration purposes. It can still be used provided the correct rough dimensions are applied at application. These mosaics are on mesh and they would be a great addition to any home, ranch, or office. These mosaic inlays are available with different background colors and designs. So here you see I'm just cut the travertine frame, sizing it, and making sure it fits okay. Cleaning off the back of that paper off there to make sure I get a good contact. Now I've measured this out to 12 by 12 so that this can be used in any application where you're putting 12 by 12 mosaic tiles in. And of course you can figure any type of size or shape and we can get it to work. And that's a 1/4 inch backer board being cut to size, buttered down, butter. Let set to dry, and I didn't get any filming for the grout. Very sad about that. So here we have, there's a couple on mesh there available today at Van Abema Designs, and these other pieces also are available at Van Abema Designs. You've made it this far, so please give a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe to the Diaconus YouTube channel, please. Put down any comments or questions. Let's see what happens. Baruch Hashem. B'Shem Yeshua.